What is going on, guys? Caleb here today. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. Today's video, we got some pretty cool things planned. And for starters, we're going to be installing this front splitter by Liquid Vinyl. And the side fin hardware actually mounts onto the side of the splitter, and I think it looks pretty badass. So that's why I went with that splitter versus the APR one. And this piece right here, I think it'll look pretty cool because not too many Mustang owners do this, simply because you have to drill into the bumper. But it'll be something like this. Let me just stand back right here. Something like that. I can't really do the placement. That's why I'm taking it to the shop right here. So we're on our way over there. Shouldn't take too long. We'll be there in about 12 minutes tops. Not much traffic, considering there's a lot of essential people back on the road since most businesses opened up. But yeah, let's get a little pull in fourth gear. Alright guys, so here we are. We're at the shop right now. Seems to be a pretty big line like always. They're always busy over here. You know what, man, we got the face mask on. Just waiting to get in there since we got our appointment for 8 a.m. It's super early. I wonder if I can even pull in right now behind a bunch of Mopars. Hey man, I had an appointment for 8 a.m. To get my splitter installed. I have it in my trunk, and I have my CANARDS right here too. If I go to get them, I put it in the notes if I get them wrapped in gloss black.
Oh, gloss black what?
This right here?
Oh, the CANARDS?
Yeah, the CANARDS.
Alright, then. Yeah, follow me.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright guys, so just like that, we're finally back in the garage, and I didn't think I have to put this in the video, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I was at the shop for an excruciating amount of time, and I was there for 8 hours, from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And I do not understand why they have an appointment-based system if they just finish your car whenever they feel like it, because that was pretty unfair. So yeah, anyways, let's get to the reveal of this thing and let me know what you guys think. So there you guys have it. That's the final review of the new front end on my car. And then let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, because I want your honest opinion on it. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I like it because not too many people are bold enough to actually get these drilled onto the bumper. And by bold, I mean they're not that stupid as me. But that's just another commitment for me telling myself that I'm going to keep this car. I'm not going to trade it in for anything I see down the road, because I don't think a dealer would buy it like that. But this overall, man, it looks killer. I think it looks pretty nice right here, especially with these splitter rods right here. They're actually so thick, and I actually prefer them that way. And I actually like the silver. Some people wrap them carbon fiber, black or red. Me, I like the silver because it actually complements the headlights pretty nice. You can tell, look at that, it's coming down at an angle right here. And there's actually two bolts right here that connect it. There's nothing in the middle, so that's why you see that line over there. Same thing with this side, but it's not too obvious right there. But got inspiration from the Camaro Z11LE. I think it's the most aggressive looking car on the market because of the CANARDS it has on the front. Final touches on this car, when they come back in stock, is going to be changing out this grille as well as the bottom one. I like the Savini's one, and maybe the final touches will be a different hood, specifically the Savini's one as well. I really like the aftermarket support that they have for the S550. I think they're really killing it, but let's just get some more angles of this beauty, man, because I think it looks killer. Just not done yet, man. Just wait till I lower it I actually do have some springs that I need to be installed. So that's why we're gonna get rid of that gap. And I'm just gonna go a little bit of a walk around. You guys can see it. Probably at a better angle. Alright, so that'll do it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Hopefully you saw my journey that I've endured with this car for the past couple months, with getting that new mirror replaced, getting this installed right here, and as well as a new bumper. Because with the old bumper, there's no way in hell that I would do that, because it was just so much damage, and bumper was about 4 years old, so I had to go. Got the OEM one because I really like the way it looks. I think it's a clean look, and I feel like too many people go with the GT350 one, and I think that has to stay on that car. Anyways, that'll have to do it for today's video. If you liked it, please be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment on whether you like the new setup or not. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video.